Screw oil press is a product independently developed by our company in order to meet the needs of the development of the oil processing industry and the needs of small and medium-sized oil factories. It can process a wide range of oil seeds, such as rapeseed, sunflower seeds, soybean, peanut, sesame, tea seeds, flax and other granular herbal oil plants, woody oil plants, wild plant oil plants and other granular oil seeds. Series Screw Oil Press is the first choice ideal equipment for small and medium-sized oil factories and individual oil factories. The product has the advantages of small investment, large output, simple matching, easy maintenance, strong adaptability, high oil output efficiency, etc. It is very suitable for medium and small oil factories and township enterprises. The screw oil press produced by our company has the advantages of novel design, reasonable structure, reliable performance, beautiful appearance, and durable main vulnerable parts. The screw oil press oil extraction and filtration are integrated, and the pressed crude oil is filtered in time to prevent impurities from remaining in the oil for a long time, make the oil corrupt, and deteriorate, so as to ensure the quality of the oil. The pressing chamber adopts electric heating and the temperature is automatic control, which shortens the running-in time of the machine when starting up, stabilizes the pressing temperature, saves power consumption, and improves the oil yield of the oil. Crude oil filtration adopts vacuum filtration, and the labor intensity is low.